Okay, already 10th class students first two chapters is completed. Okay, third chapter, first introduction. Listen all of you carefully. First one is variable or literal. Okay, variable or literal. What is the variable definition? A symbol which can take various numerical values are called variable. For example, x comma y comma z and so on etc. A comma b comma c and so on etc. Okay, p comma q comma r and so on etc. Okay, what is the definition of variable or literal? Okay, symbol which can take, it is symbols, a symbol which can take various numerical values, then it is called variable or literal. Next one is constant. Next one is constant. What is the constant? Constant is nothing but a symbol which can take fixed value. Fixed values is like that 1, 2, 3, 300, 400, 500 and so on like that. Okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma and so on etc. That is the constant definition. Okay, next one is term. Term is nothing but variable alone or constant alone. Variable alone or constant alone, they are obtained by multiplication and division. Multiplication and division, then it is called term. So one is a term. Why? Because it is constant alone. X is a term. Why? Because it is a variable. Okay. For suppose 2 into x, 2x. 2 into x into y, 2xy. It is also terms. Okay, 2x square into y, that is equal to 2x square y. Okay, it is a multiplication. And x divided by 1, which is can be written as 1 divided by x divided by 1, which is can be written as x by 1. Okay, x divided by 3, which is can be written as x by 3. X divided by 4, which is can be written as x by 4. X square is divided by 5, that is equal to x square by 5. Okay, that is the term definition. What is the term definition? Variable alone or constant alone, they are obtained by multiplication and division. Multiplication and division, then it is called term. Okay, this is the terms. This is a terms. Constant term. Constant term is nothing but a term having no variable. A term having no variable. Okay, term is contain only here variables, but constant term is not contain variable. For suppose example 1 comma 2 comma root 3 comma minus root 5 comma root 3 by root 5 and so on etc. Constant term is nothing but a term having no variable, then it is called constant term. Next one is expression. Expression. The terms add and subtracted are called the terms add and subtracted are called expression. For suppose either plus or minus, For suppose here, okay, x plus y, here x minus y, okay, x plus z, z plus x and so on etc. It is the expression. Okay, next one is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is nothing but the combination of terms. Okay, they are obtained by fundamental operations. fundamental operations. Fundamental operations. Fundamental operations is nothing but a plus, minus, product and the division. Okay, then it is called algebraic expression. Examples here: x plus y plus z, or suppose xy plus zx plus yx, yz, and x minus y minus z, and so on like that. What is the definition of algebraic expression? The combination of terms they are obtained by fundamental operations, then it is called an algebraic expression. Now discuss about that. Today topic is third chapter, polynomials. What is the chapter, Nana? Polynomials. First one. Okay, what is meant by polynomial? What is meant by polynomial? Okay, listen all of you. An algebraic expression which the variables involved with non-negative integral powers are called polynomial. Okay, listen all of you carefully. An algebraic expression which the variables involved with non-negative integral powers are called polynomial. Okay, for examples, x square plus 2x plus 3. Here power is variables is the power is non-negative. Okay, so it is a polynomial. Okay, for suppose x power of 1 by 2 plus 2x plus 3, it is a non-negative integral powers only non-negative integral powers. So here 1 by 2 is not a polynomial. Okay, is a polynomial. X power of minus 2 minus 2x minus 4, it is a polynomial or not? Here non-negative integral powers. Non-negative means only positive. So here negative power. So he is not a polynomial. Is not a polynomial. Awesome. Okay, next, standard form of nth degree polynomial. What is the standard form in the polynomial? A polynomial in one variable x of degree n is an expression of the form p of x is equal to an x power of n plus a n minus 1 x power of n minus 1 plus and so on a1x plus a0. a1x plus a0 comma, where a0, a1, a2 and so on an are coefficients of the standard form of your polynomial, where a0 here an not equals to 0. That is the standard form of a polynomial. Next one is degree of polynomial. The highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called degree of polynomial. For example, x power 6 plus 2x power of 5 plus 2x power of 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 2. For suppose Here one of the polynomial is given. What is the degree? Highest power of the variable. Here highest power of the variable in a polynomial. Here it is a polynomial. Highest power. What is the highest power here? 6. What is the degree, Nana? Here 6. Okay, for suppose x power of 7 plus 2x plus 3. For example, here given polynomial. What is the degree here? Highest power. Highest power. What is the highest power here? 7. Okay, that is the degree of the polynomial is 7. Next, degree of monomial. Already we know that monomials. Okay, polynomial containing only one term, then it is called monomial. 2 terms, okay, binomial. 3 terms containing trinomial. Already we know previous classes now. So degree of monomial, sum of the exponents in a variable of a polynomial is called degree of monomial. Okay, for suppose here x power of 5, y power of 6 plus 2x power of 3 plus 2x square plus 2x square plus 7x plus 6. It is a polynomial. So here it is the monomial. It is a monomial. Only one term. A polynomial containing only one term, then it is called monomial. Sum of the exponents in a variables. Sum of the exponents in a variables. Okay, so sum 5 plus 6. What is that sum, Nana? 11. So 11 is the degree. Here 3 plus 2, 5. Least 2. Here 1. So what is the degree of the monomial? What is the degree of the monomial? Here 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 11 is the degree of the monomial. Okay, so sorry Nana. Here what is the degree of the monomial? Sorry, not a polynomial. What is the degree of the monomial? Sum of the, here monomial, sum of the exponents of a variable. Sum of the exponents of the variable, then it is called degree monomial. Okay, here one of the example, x power of 5, y power of 6. Okay, x power of 5, y power of 6, sum of the exponents 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 11 is the degree. Okay, is the another example of the degree of polynomial. Another example is the degree of polynomial. For example, here x power of 5, y power of 7 plus x power of 3, y power of 3 plus xy plus 3. What is the degree of the? It is a polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? Highest. Okay, Rana, sum of the exponents in the variables 5 plus 7, that is equal to 12. 12 is the degree of polynomial. Here degree of the monomial. Okay, next one is zero polynomial. Next one is zero polynomial. Already we know that standard form of a polynomial. What is the standard form, Nana? P of x is equal to a n x power n plus a n minus 1 x power of minus n. Okay, n minus 1 and so on, a1x plus a0. So zero polynomial is nothing but if the all coefficients. What is the coefficients, Nana? an, sorry, here an is equal to a1. Okay, a1 is equal to a0 is equal to a1, a2, a3 and so on, an is equal to 0. If the all coefficients are 0, then it is called zero polynomial. Zero polynomial. Okay, the very important note point, degree of zero polynomial. Degree of zero polynomial not defined. Degree of, okay, degree of zero polynomial not defined. Why? Because here 0, if the all coefficients of all coefficients of 0, then it is called zero polynomial. What is the degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Okay, first, what is the zero polynomial, Nana? If the all coefficients are 0, then it is called zero polynomial. Next one is zero of the polynomial. Zero of the polynomial is nothing but the number for which value of the polynomial is 0 is called zero of the polynomial. The number for which value of the polynomial is 0 is called zero of the polynomial. For example, 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 3. For example, 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 3. Any polynomial we have to, okay, Nana, p of x, it is denoted p of x polynomial of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Here 0 of the polynomial, what is the value? The number for which the value of the polynomial is 0. Why? Because p of x's value is 0. We take p of x value is equal to 0, 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 3. Here 2 is a multiple transposition of the right hand side. Okay, na division. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. Therefore, minus 3 by 2 is the minus 3 by 2 is 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 3. Another example, find 0 of the polynomial 4x minus 2. Sorry, 2x minus 4. Okay, already we know that p of x is equal to, what is the value, Nana? 2x minus 4. What is the given polynomial? So the value of the polynomial is, any polynomial is given, so p of x value of the polynomial is 0. We have to take p of x value is equal to 0. That is equal to 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 4. Here minus value transposition of the right hand side. X is equal to 4 by 2. That is equal to 2 times. X is equal to 2. Therefore, 2 is 0 of the polynomial 2x minus 4. Okay. What is the 0 of the polynomial? The number for which value of the polynomial is 0. Any polynomial, okay, Nana, given, we have to p of x value, we have to take 0. Then already we know that, then find out equation. 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here minus value transposition of the right hand side. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 2. So cancel. How many times? 2 times. X is equal to 2. So 2 is the 0 of the polynomial 2x minus 4. Is types of polynomials. Next one is types of polynomials. So first one is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. If a polynomial of degree is 1, the polynomial of degree is 1 is called linear polynomial. For example, 2x plus 4. What is the degree, Nana? Here s power 1. So it is a linear polynomial. Another example, 4x minus 5. It is the linear polynomial. Highest power of the variable is 1. So it is a linear polynomial. Okay. X plus 3. It is also linear polynomial, and so on, etc. Okay. What is the general form of linear polynomial? General form of linear polynomial ax plus b, where a not equals to 0. Where a not equals to 0. Ax plus b, very important now. General form of linear polynomial ax plus b. Why? Because the highest power of the variable is degree is 1. So then it is called linear polynomial. So next one is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Okay, quadratic polynomial. Next one, if the polynomial degree is 2, what is the name? Degree is 2, then it is called quadratic polynomial. Examples: x square 2 plus 3. Here highest power of the polynomial power is the 2. Another example: 2x square plus 4x plus 3, and so on, etc. Okay. Highest, if the polynomial of degree is 2, then it is called quadratic polynomial. Okay. For example, x square plus 2x plus 3. Here what is the degree? 2. It is a quadratic polynomial. 2x square plus 4x plus 3. Okay. What is the degree? Here degree of the polynomial 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial. What is the general form? General form of quadratic polynomial. General form of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equals to 0. Where a not equals to 0. Next one is cubic polynomial. Next one is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial is nothing but if the polynomial degree is 3, then it is called cubic polynomial. For example, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Highest power of the polynomial here 3. Degree of the polynomial also 3. Here 3. So it is a cubic polynomial. 2x cube plus 2x square plus 2x plus 2. It is also cubic polynomial, and so on, etc. So what is the general form? General form of cubic polynomial. General form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a not equals to 0. Where a not equals to 0. Next, last one, biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. Okay, if the polynomial of degree is 4, then it is called biquadratic polynomial. Examples: x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. It is a biquadratic polynomial. Highest power is 4, so biquadratic polynomial. Okay, another example: 3x power of 4 plus 2x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 3. It is also biquadratic polynomial. What is the general form? General form of general form of biquadratic polynomial is biquadratic polynomial ax power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e where a not equals to 0, where a not equals to 0. Okay nana? Okay, types of polynomials 4. First one is linear polynomial, second one is quadratic polynomial, third one is cubic polynomial, fourth one is biquadratic polynomial. Okay, listen all of you carefully and see the videos 3 or more times. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Next class continue.